Hello everyone. In ChatGPT, we can use Canva. How you can use it? In ChatGPT, you find explore GPTs. Simply click on it. Search GPTs. We search Canva. Okay. Here you can see Canva AI, Canva AI logo designer, Canva graphic designer AI, and many more things. So we use simply this Canva. Okay, scroll down and chat. Let's start chat. Okay, let's go. Okay, here's some suggestion. I write create on to post for Facebook about cat caring. Okay, see, we have to permit, so always allow. Talking to ChatGPT plugin.canva.com. Okay, inside it, and it's working. You can see it shows us in the table way. Option 1 and option 2. Option 1 is our first post, and option 2 is our second post. Okay, yeah, you can see it's caring for your failing friend. We can redirect to Canva. Okay, you can see after clicking you can customize it. You can edit, delete, update, anything as you like. Contents in the text, heading and subheading, whatever you want to change, you can do it. Or we can change any kind of design in Canva. Okay, and see, yeah, you can change the logo placement. Okay, now we can create a video for this. Let's create a video for this. Create a video for this. Okay, Tendra. Talking to ChatGPT plugin.com, plugin.canva.com. Okay, here you can see our video is created. Yeah, all are nice. I open the first one. Okay, it's redirect to Canva site. Okay, play the video. Yeah, you can see the video is playing. Okay, you can see the template is we can make it, or we can redirect to the video. You can use as you want or as you like. The animation and effect thing is working very nice. Okay, now we can create a website. Create 4 pages website on this. Okay, let's see. Okay, talking to ChatGPT plugin.canva.com. Okay, it's working. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's done. It's done very quickly and it's very fast. Okay, let's see our first website. Wow, it's so cool. I really appreciate this working. Okay, you can share. Go to public view link. Okay, create public view link. Copy link. Okay, I can share this link with my friends or someone who interested on Canva website or on the website. You can see animation or a nice effect. Wow, it's really done great job. Okay, another website. Okay, it shows a mock-up on the pages, 4 pages. Very nice. Same thing I can do using share. I hope you got an idea to use ChatGPT for Canva work. Thank you.